In my previous video, you already see that how you can run and install Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system on Android phone. In our case, we install the Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system on Fairphone 5. But in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can run PosmarketOS Linux with the GNOME desktop interface in your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, right now you can see I'm using Fairphone 5, and in this phone right now I'm running Android operating system. In my case, Android 15 operating system. This is the Android version. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, you have to enable the bootloader or unlock the bootloader of your phone. I had already unlocked the bootloader on my phone. For different devices, the process of unlocking bootloader is different. So you have to do some research to unlock the bootloader of your phone. PostmarketOS does not support on every phone. You can check on PostmarketOS operating system device list for the supported Android phone. On that list, we have the Fairphone 5. That's why we are going to install the PosmarketOS on this Fairphone. So before you start installing, what you need to do, you have to open up settings, then go to about phone and tap on build number couple of times to enable the developer mode. When you will see that you are now a developer, go back, go to system, scroll up, and here you will see the developer option. Open it, then scroll down, and here you can see this phone bootloader is already unlocked. Now scroll down and enable the USB debugging, then click on OK. Now after that, connect your mobile phone with a USB cable with your computer. Then when you will get this type of pop-up for allow USB debugging, allow this, then tap on allow. Now you need to get back to your computer screen. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen. Now first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up any of your browser. Then you need to search on Google Fairphone 5 PosmarketOS. Then go to this first result, and here you can see the PosmarketOS for Fairphone 5. From here scroll down, and here you can see we have two options to install. Number one is UBport installer, and number two is web flasher. In our previous video, we already show you that how you can install the UBport installer. Using this UBport installer, we can easily flash Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system on our phone. Also, using that installer, we can install the PosmarketOS. But for this video, we are not going to do that. We are going to use the dedicated web flasher to install the PosmarketOS or flash this in our phone. So click on PosmarketOS web flasher, this link, and this is the web flasher to flash the PosmarketOS. And here you can see the supported device list. So to connect your mobile phone with this browser, first of all, what you need to do, you have to scroll down and power off your phone. Then you need to boot your phone into fast boot mode. So for this, for Fairphone 5, press the power button and volume down button together, and it should boot your phone into fast boot mode. Now from here, connect your mobile phone with your computer. Then on your computer, click on give access. Then on this pop-up menu, select Android, then click on connect. And here you can see my device is now connected with this browser. Now click on this arrow icon. Here you can see it automatically detect my phone. This is Fairphone 5 and this is the code name. And from here you can select the desktop environment. I'm going to select the GNOME desktop environment from here. Click on pick, then click on start flashing, and now it should automatically flash the PosmarketOS Linux on your Fairphone 5. It's going to take a while, so you have to wait until downloading and flashing get completed. When the flashing get completed, it will automatically reboot your phone into PosmarketOS. And now it's flashing the boot partition. Then after that, it will automatically reboot our phone. Here you can see our phone gets switched off and it automatically reboot. And guys, here you can see the PosmarketOS boot logo and boot animation. It's gonna take a while for the first time boot, so you have to wait until the booting process get completed. And guys, here is our login screen. Click on user, then type the default password is 147.147. And guys, here you can see we have successfully installed the PosmarketOS Linux on our Fairphone 5. Set up the first setup screen, then click on start using PosmarketOS. So in this way, you can easily install PosmarketOS Linux on your Android phone. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.